Good morning, children. Welcome you to a lovely session. I hope, children, you liked my last videos and understood the lessons properly and clearly. So let's go further with a quick recap. In the last lesson, we learned that how Shivaji is making his efforts to establish Swaraj in Maharashtra and about saints, how the saints' work helped Shivaji. So now we will study further about lesson 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. We will study the following main points. This is our first session. The first point is period of unrest. The second is the brave Maratha Sardars. And the third one, tradition of valor. So let us study period of unrest. What is the meaning of unrest? Means Ashanti. Now I will explain you. The brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. The two sultans, Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, were always fighting with each other. This made use of armies of Maratha Sardars in those wars. Now, the brave Maratha Sardar. The Sardar were brave, tough, fearless and loyal. What is the meaning of brave? Means himmat wala. Tough means kathor. Fearless means na darne wala. And loyal means wafadar. They were brave, tough, fearless and loyal to their masters. They were proud of their achievements on the battlefield. They fought like a lion on battlefield. It means the Maratha soldiers had a spear in their hand and a sword at their side, and they would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. Sardar's cavalry. What is the meaning of cavalry? Ghode ki sena. That means a man of army on horse. They had their own private armies. Now let's see some of the arms that were used during war time. See, the first one is a dagger. The second one is a sword. And the third one is a spear. A sword is like a large knife. And a spear is one-sided point and which has a very sharp edge. And the other one is a dagger. These arms were used during war. If such a Sardar who went to Sultan with his army, he gave him employment. Employment means rozgar, nokri. And who received such a Jagir considered himself as a Raja. Here Jagir means a reward for his good service. यानी कि जो भी अच्छा काम किया उसके लिए उसको रिवॉर्ड देना, गिफ्ट देना. तो गिफ्ट में क्या देते थे? जागीर. There were many famous Maratha Sardars, as we can see on the slide. The first, the famous were Jadavs of Sindhket. Second, Nimbalkars of Paltan. Third, Gorpades of Mudhol. Fourth, Mores of Javli. And Bhosles of Verul. Jijabai was the mother of Shivaji Maharaj. She was the daughter of Lakhujirao Jadhav of Sindhket. You can see the first one, Jadhavs of Sindhket. Now next, we will study the next point, tradition of valor. We will see how tradition of valor was kept alive in Maratha Sardar. That means उन लोगों में ताकत कैसी बताई गई. Marathas were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. Sworn enemies means they always fought with each other. They never thought of uniting their own people. And among them were the families of Bhosles of Verul, showed great bravery and enterprise. Enterprise means undertaking a hard task. कुछ भारी काम करना. Now next point, we will understand it deeply. The temple of Grushneshwar. This is very important. From here we will start how Shivaji Maharaj came. Near about 400 years ago, that is 400 साल पहले की बात है, the temple of Grushneshwar was falling to pieces. It was near Verul caves. This temple was deserted, means no one came and visited the temple, nor the priest or the people. It was the temple of Lord Shiva. You can see the picture of Lord Shiva. Everyone mourned over the state of the temple. That means, mourned means to feel sad. No one thought of repairing the temple. Here there was one devotee who regularly visited the temple and put flowers and bale on it. Bale means it is a type of leaves which are used for worship in the temple. They put on the lingam. This is also called lingam. He was deeply a true devotee to Lord Shiva. So he carried out all his extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. Means again he repaired it and made it perfectly as it was. This great person who did all these arrangements for the maintenance of the temple was Maloji Raje Bhosle. Here you can see his picture. Okay children, here we end up the first part of the lesson and shall continue in the next session. So children, read the lesson keenly and do the homework as I say. You have to search information about the following topic. The first topic, the temple of Grushneshwar and Bhosles of Verul. Write this in your homework book. I have given you this homework so that you find more interesting when we read the lesson. Thank you.